hope you all are very fit and fine at your home. So now we are going to start the basic numericals of the lesson 8, that is distance and displacement first. I was getting many queries regarding this, that ma'am, what is the exact distance and displacement covered by an object? So today we are going to solve one numerical based on that, so that we will get to know कि हमें अपने numericals based questions को कैसे solve करना है. So we are starting first reading the question. What is the question saying first? Jayant jogs from A to B and covers a distance of 100 meters. We don't know what is that, so we just first draw the graph, draw the explanation what the question is saying. Right? What is saying? Jayant jogs from A to B. Let's suppose this line A to B. Let us assume that is a straight line. Right? A to B covers a distance of 100 meters. From A to B, it covers a distance of 100 meters. Further, he moves from B to C. Further, उसने और आगे move करा, from B to C move करा, B to C, fine, and covers a distance of 30 meters. How much distance now it covers? First, he was covering 100 meters. Now he is covering 30 meter distance from B to C. 30 meters from B to C. Okay. From C, Jayant comes back covering a distance of 50 meters. Now at C point, Jayant mood changes and it comes back. It turns back and covering a distance of 50 meters. Obviously 30 से कुछ ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही होगा. From B से कहीं ना कहीं आगे ही होगा. So it turns back and just moves 50 meters and stops at point D, and that point is D, covering a distance of how much? 50 meters. Fine. So find the total distance and displacement covered by an object, that means the Jayant, from initial and the final position. So we need to calculate the total distance and the displacement covered by the Jayant. So before that, we should be very clear with the distance and the displacement topic. What is a distance basically? I have told you in the class also. Distance is any path traveled by an object. Any path, suppose from your home to your school. You can take any path chosen by you. You can take any path. That is called a simple distance. And what is a displacement? The shortest distance you have taken to reach from your home to the school. So that is called the displacement. So first we will calculate the distance. That initial position of Jayant was A and the final position was D. So Jayant ने कितना distance travel करा to start from A and to cover a distance reaching from B to C to finally to the D. So we should be very clear what is the initial point and what is the final point. So initial position is initial point, that is A. Final point is D. Final point is equals to D. Fine. So we need to calculate the distance first to reach from A to D. उसने कितना total distance cover किया to reach from point A to D. Let's start by this. I'm erasing the question so that we will be covering the whole topic very well. So what it is saying that, let's see, Jayant first moves from A to B. Jayant covers how much distance? Covers a distance of is equals to 100 meters from B to C. Total distances Jayant covers distance is equals to, from B to C, that means 30 meters, and then from C to D, right? He is coming back from point C to D. C to D, he covers a distance is equals to how much? Now is 50 meters. So total distance covered to reach from A to D, total distance covered to cover a distance to cover from point A to D. A to D. How much? We need to add all this 100 plus 13 plus 50. So that means total distance would come up something like total distance that comes like 100 plus 50 plus 30. That comes 180 meters. To reach from A to D, the distance taken by Joseph, that is 180 meters. And the displacement, we have read already, displacement is the shortest distance from the final position, from the initial position to the final position. That is A to D. Directly it can be. Total was 130, and if this 50 can be minus, so the A to D, the displacement, the shortest distance can be already calculated. So we will calculate now the displacement. I am erasing this distance one little. So now we need to calculate the displacement. What I am saying, the shortest distance to cover from A to D, because this A is our initial point and D is our final point. So if we can subtract AC minus DC, so we can calculate easily the AT. So displacement covered by an object, displacement covered by an object is equals to A. But AD can be calculated as AC, total AC minus DC. That can be calculated as AT. Right? Total AC, we can calculate easily. AC. Joseph or giant covers a distance AC is equals to 100 plus 30. 100 meter plus 30 meter. That will become 130 meters. Fine. And then DC as giant covers a distance DC is equals to how much? That means 50 meters. So we can now easily calculate the AD. AD is equals to AC. AC is how much? 130 minus. DC is how much? 50 meters. 130 meters. 130 minus 50. That will come this. The meters. We can easily calculate the displacement. That is the shortest distance covered by the chair. That was from A to D. Fine. We have just AC minus DC. We can calculate the A. So now I hope distance and displacement topic would be clear to you. अगर और अच्छे से हमने समझना है कि बेसिक पॉइंट से हम समझ लेते हैं कि what is distance. Suppose आपको and this is your school. Fine. आपको and that was your school. To reach from home to school, you can take like this path, this, any path you can take. But that is called the distance. And when you cover the shortest distance from home to school is a straight line. That is